Myth number 2 is spot reduction. This is the idea that doing loads of sit-ups is going to get you a great six-pack, or doing loads of glute work is going to get you a nice toned bum. Now the reality is this: your body burns fat universally. So when you're doing sit-ups, you're burning just as much fat from your legs as you are your abs. If you want to have a defined six-pack and a very toned body, again, it all comes down to the levels of body fat you have, and you get low levels of body fat from going onto a cutting diet. But to bring out the six-pack, you must continue to train as normal. And in terms of the most effective exercises to get a six-pack, sit-ups aren't them. The reason being, your abs are muscles just like the rest of the muscles in your body, and you get maximum hypertrophy from training in a specific rep range, which isn't 100 or 200 reps, which you might do if you're just doing sit-ups. So for now, the takeaway is this: if you want to have a great six-pack, you need low levels of body fat, and you don't get that from spot reduction, you get that from going onto a cutting diet.